So this is my 2010 C300. I removed everything. So how to install the LED store. So it's so easy. So you go to your headlight. Doesn't matter which one, which side. So the wires you're gonna be using. So the red gonna go to the yellow wire, the red one to the yellow, and the black wire gonna go to this one, to the brown. So which is this one, ground, and then yellow this one. So ground, pause. So that's how you do. So once you finish, put it back together over there, and it should work. So everything is connected right now. You come here. If you're doing during the day, you need to put it there and start the car. And then when you turn it off, the headlight is turned off. So that means it's good to go. So we're gonna be turning on the headlights and watch. So that's how you do it. Now that is easy as fuck. So ground, pussy. So yellow, red, brown, negative, brown.